welcome to Placement Wala. I am Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So today I brought a very great opportunity for all the freshers. All the freshers means those who are in their first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Anyone can apply for this opportunity. So Deloitte is giving you a virtual internship offer. Sorry, not internship, it's internships. So they are giving you virtual internships offer, and this is going to be totally virtual. You don't have to go anywhere. So I will tell you everything in detail, that who can apply, how to apply. And the specialty of this internship is that you can complete your internship within 5 to 6 hours and get your certificates. I'm saying certificates. That means you can get one, two, three certificates from this internship. Okay, so I will tell you everything. Don't worry about that. So here they have told you that they will give you the internship offer in cybersecurity, then data analytics, then technology. And what is the program eligibility? Anyone can apply for this. Okay, anyone can apply for this. And here is the best part, that you will receive your certificate directly after you will complete the virtual internship program. Okay, and then you can add that certificate to your resume and LinkedIn profile. So yes, if Deloitte is giving you this internship offer, then it is very valuable for your resume. So do apply for that. And yes, let me tell you what all they are giving you. So first of all, it is free internship. You don't have to pay for anything, and this internship will get completed within 30 to 60 minutes. And it is self-paced internship. You can complete it according to your time and your facility. Okay, so here you can click by starting free program. Okay, so what all you will learn? You will learn log inspection, computer networks, then web security. So these all three things you will learn from this internship. And there is no grade and no assessments in this. You will simply complete your internship and you will get your certificate for that. Okay, so let me tell you how you will do this one. So yes, when you will click on start, you just simply have to continue with Google. Then your account will be created and your internship will get started over here. So it is as simple as that. And then same gets applied to the other internships also. Now the data analytics. So what you will learn here. So it is 1 to 2 hour internship, and it is self-paced internship again. This is also self-paced internship. These three are self-paced internship. Okay. So you have to see the videos, everything they are giving you according to you. And yes, they will be telling you what is important in this internship, and you will get resume tips also at the end. So do enroll for this internship, guys. This is really very important for all the freshers. So yes, you will be getting data modeling, data analysis, tabule, spreadsheets, and much more. Yeah, only four things you will get to know about this here, but this is really very important. So you will simply click here, okay, and you will get enrolled over here. So, like this, you can go for the three internships. Either you want to get only one, it is your wish. If you want to get three certificates, you want to learn three things, you can apply for three things also. It is totally free, you don't have to pay for anything. Okay. So here also you will learn a lot if you are much into coding and all. So you can apply for this internship. You will get to learn about programming, data structure, Python, planning, formal communication, software development processes. Okay. So this is 2 to 3 hours internship, no grades, no assessments. So I think you don't have any doubt. I have told you everything in detail, and anyone can apply for this. If you have any kind of doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.